Paul Bunyan's skill is generalize. A generalization is a type of conclusion in which a broad statement is made based on several examples. It doesn't have to fit every single one, but it fits more examples than not. It uses a clue word: all, most, always, usually, generally, in general, sometimes, no one, everyone, something like that. So you read this story about the loggers and how they like to eat flapjacks and pancakes and all the different details that go into this story about how long their table is and who's in charge of cooking at the stove and how many people it takes and how many feet this is or that is and how long breakfast is and stuff like that. Then you'll come down and try to answer. You start with these down here at the bottom, all of the facts that come directly from the text. The logger's table was. You'll look up here and you'll find how long the table was. Their table was blank, blank, blank. And then you'll come down here and fill it in. These are the start of this sentence. You will finish writing the sentence. Make sure it has a period at the end. And then for number 5, loggers generally eat what? And you'll go ahead and fill it in there. When you're done, you're going to turn it over on the back and we're going to work on the draw conclusion side. Draw conclusion is a very hard skill for 4th grade. They don't know a whole lot to be able to draw a conclusion. Draw conclusion is when you use your own background knowledge to be able to answer the questions. It's not exactly stated in the story. You have to use what you already know to be able to answer the question. So there are 2 paragraphs here. It's about 2 different teams that are in the logging Olympics. You have the Roller River team versus the Great Pines team. Then you're going to answer, draw a conclusion about the Rolling River team. What could you tell me based on the facts in the story about the Rolling River team, and how did you know that? What does it say in the story that helps support your answer? In your own words, describe how the old coach trained his team. What about practice and skills did he use to help train his team? This is your own sentence that you're creating here. What details help you came to that conclusion? What did he do in the story that helped you make this answer for number 3? And number 5, what conclusion can you draw about the competition? The very last sentence says, in the end, the Rolling River team won a very close competition. What could you tell me about the competition using details from the story to help you? Let me know if you have any questions.